So 15 minutes, we've just installed one side of the header for the what do you call it? Drive? DVD drive? Now we're just installing the second part. For some reason, it really does not want to go in. What? I'm just going to have to leave that for now, because I don't know why it's not allowing me to do that. But in a perfect world, you'd let's pull that in and you push it in.
No, it's really not wanted to go in.
That's all, is it?
No.
No, for some reason. Well, what if we did it the other way around? So if we take this side out, did it from behind. Hopefully it might. There we go. From behind will work. So anyway.
Weird.
So the next thing we want to do is grab your PSU.
Oh,
and
that way.
spin it that way.
Oh my god.
And put it in like that. Slide it in. And I'll do the same here without going through before.
I'm assuming this goes through the gap here.
Yes, yes it does. Let's put mine in. Need to go somewhere else. Let's make it that way. Yours in? Alright. Well, mine is in also. So the way you...
It's like building a PC again.
Yeah. Alright, let's move this out there. So with this you can just slide it across like that as much as you can. And just 8 pin in and then 16 pin in and just squish the cable in after you, and you'll have hands like this. Let's move this out of the way, I don't need that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right, so the next thing we're going to do is install the fans for the front. And the way you know how to do this is each of these is going to have some text at the front, normally a barcode, as you can see here. Now, where the cable's pointing away, that's where it intakes the air, okay? And you can always tell by the different types of fan. There's more blades on the front as a compressor and less on the back as a pusher. So the way these go in is they literally just slot straight in like so, and you grab one of the fan controllers to stop them moving. You just then you don't make a fool out of yourself. You don't make a fool out of yourself. You got the wrong side of it. There we go. And then with this hole here, it's going to stop these from being blown away from the CPUs. So if you like to get another screw, there you go.
So how can we use different screws? Why is one?
Well, I think
rounded? Or is it just because?
I think it's more to do with profiling. The ones for the motherboard are a lot different to the ones on the which hold things into place. Speaking of which, look what you've forgotten. Yeah.
I don't remember you saying anything like that.
Alright, so you get one of these, and then you screw it in. I'm going to set up my fans now. Sounds good? Now I want you to do the same thing with those, but with this here.
Why I just tried to put that out? Doesn't look like that's in place. Feels like it's just being...
Oh, I think one of these is broken. I don't know which one it is. go, that's all that in. Now I need some fan holders. I'll be back. Both the Wizard of Oz area. Here we go. If I put mine in, I know you probably can't see this. There we go. Cheers. Now, do you want to... Haha, here's a job for you. This here slots at the back, like so. Okay? You're going to connect all those in. Yeah. Fukushima. Okay. Do we get you a different pair? Maybe one which isn't. In fact, no, it's probably going to be easier if I do this. Stop. Stop. Probably best not to leave that in there. No. Probably not the right way of disconnecting things, but here we go. Those two don't actually need to be together. Just, there you go. So you have all these wires. Nothing can be slotted into anything else but what it is meant to be for. So you've got yourself a bit of a jolly one there. Because you like shit. I'm not far behind you, so I'll show you. Get the big ones in first. So this one goes into there, doesn't it? Where does this one go? Starting in my bum. Just completely ruining for me. Anus. Cable management skills. So I'm going to divide mine out into things I need. So the PCIe, not PCIe, the headers for the drives. There we go. I couldn't even say what it was. Plug that in, and then plug this one into there. That was the reason why I said it was upside down, that we needed it. Oh, bastard. Okay. So that's that one out of the way. So next I want to do is the large pin connector, which connects the DVD drive, which I don't have, and I don't need, but you do. So yours will attach this one here to that one there, but there's a hole here which allows you to go through.
Does it go specifically around, or?
Does it go specifically? This one here goes into the main.
No, I mean as in...
Oh wait, no, sorry. This side here goes that way, and this side goes with the paper facing upwards. So fiddly, isn't it? It does go through. I promise you that.
So paper side up.
Mm-hmm. I think we've got these along around. Oh shit. You have to deal with that, aren't I? So, let me just put that through. Like so. Ta-da. This goes to the front I/O, which is meant to be for here. It's probably a bad idea for me to have done that so early on. Probably put this one in first. I suggest you do the same.
Find the paper goes through.
The MB line, let's put it in. Should only be one way you can put it in. This goes in with this.
connection between them. That should fucking fit.
The other one's a bit of a...
Bitch, if I must say so myself.
There you go. Mine's in. And the rest of it is literally just...
So this goes right to the front.
Yes, goes right to the front. I actually have a neighbour who's currently singing. I think you might be able to hear it through the camera. So now is the time to start pulling these through.
Where are you at? What are you doing?
The black cable. Yeah. This is where all the fans connect to. You see here?
Oh, right.
Yes, indeed.
What about the other fan?
The other fan has its own area on the board.
Yeah.
Okay, that's one.
So, let's go into this part here.
Yes. It's them two done. And these two. I think he's in a band, you know.
Yeah.
Good for him. He'll be singing I Predict a Riot soon.
I predict a riot.
And now I'm going to use my micro cable ties to start cleaning all this up.
How do these need to connect to specific
Ways, yeah. The closer ones, the two closer ones are these two.
Mm-hmm.
The smallest one is the first one, this one to that one, and obviously these two are just the same as the two at the back. I love cable tie and stuff, so therapeutic. So you can start on them ones.
That's so bad, isn't it? That's right. There you go. I can't actually work out which cable's short.
Oh no, the last two aren't.
Oh, right, doesn't.
Yeah, they don't matter, the last two don't matter. Just gonna... Right, we are running to the half an hour mark. That's fine by me.
We can always speed up a little bit if we have to.
It's just recording.
Is there anything else that needs to go in before I can clamp these down?
No.
You sure? What about this?
You have a piece... Oh, sorry, yeah. I didn't realise you did that. So... Oh, yeah, it's going to be a bitch. For you, that is.
I'll figure it out.
Is this one here?
Yeah, that's bloody one.
Yeah. These three are for you, because you're going to need them.
So what do I do with these?
Those two go into a motherboard,
Oh, hard drive.
yes.
Oh, we've not got one. So.
No, we have not. So theoretically, you could probably move these back and cable tie them here. I think that might be what I'm going to do now.